Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off low power mode on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When low power mode is on, the battery icon will be yellow. Having low power mode on will reduce background activity, like downloads and mail fetch, until you fully charge your iPhone. It also affects 5G and display brightness, among some other things. To turn it off, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings and tap Battery. Then tap the toggle to the right of low power mode to disable it. When the toggle is green, low power mode is turned on, and when grey, it is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.